Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. While drawing any component, always start drawing material addition features first. So let's go to Software, New, Solid, Part Modeling, untick this Use Default Template, click OK. We are using mm as a unit. For that, choose this mm part solid absolute, click OK. Now go to the model. First I am going to create the base plate of 75 mm length and 9 mm thickness, and I am going to extrude as 52 mm. Just go to this model. I am taking this front plane. Go to Sketch, Sketch View. First create the center line, because I am going to use symmetric, and press the roller to confirm. Go to rectangle. Now it shows symmetric. Click the roller to confirm. Now go to the model. The length is 75 and thickness is 9. 75, enter, and thickness is 9, enter. For fit view, click this fit screen. Then you can move your dimensions to your by moving. Just click this and move it here. Now we have created this rectangle. Just click OK. Just rotate your object by using your center roller. Now go to Extrude. Now it extruded in one direction. We just want it in symmetric both the direction. Now go to the model. Our extrusion length is 52. For that, choose this dimension as 52 and click enter. Then click OK to continue. Now we have created this base plate. Then we just want to create this cylindrical, semi-cylindrical here. For that, the distance is 40 and inner radius is 15 and outer radius is 15 plus 8, 23. For that, go to this model, select this midplane, sketch, sketch view. Now go to the model. We want a reference of 40 from top surface. For that, take this reference and close. Go to circle, create a first circle and create one more circle. Press the roller to confirm. Now just go to line, click this point and click this point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to delete these unwanted edges. For this, use this delete segment. Click, delete this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. These two edges also we don't want. Click here and click here. Now again press the roller to confirm. Now we need three dimensions. One is inner circle radius, another one is outer circle radius, and the center right from the top plane. This distance is 40. Press enter. Inner circle radius is 15. Press enter. And outer circle radius is 23. Press enter. Now we have specified all the dimensions. Now just click, check the dimension, 15, 23, 40. Now we are done. Just click OK. Go to Extrude, change this into symmetric, and this length is 52. Just change this value into 52, enter and click OK. Now we have extruded this semi-cylindrical portion. Then go to the model. Then we just want to make this a rib. For that, go here, select the same midplane, sketch, sketch view, go to reference, create this two as a reference. Now just go to, we just want to make this rectangle as a symmetric. For that, go to geometric centerline, create a geometric centerline here and press the roller to confirm. Go to rectangle. This is a symmetric rectangle. I am just creating this rectangle little bit inside the circle to avoid to capture this curvature also. Now this thickness is 9 mm. This height is up to this, so that is we have extruded this also. So this is just keeping 9 mm. This is symmetric 9 mm. Then click OK. Just rotate it. Go to extrude. We just want to extrude into symmetric direction. This extrusion length is 52. Just enter. Click OK to continue. Now you can see perfectly we have created this rib. Then go to the model. We just want to create a rib here and here also. First I am going to create a rib here. For that, go to this model, select the same midplane, sketch view. First we just want to take a reference. I'm just taking this cylindrical reference and this plot and this edge also. Just close it. Go to this model. We just want to create a line with a tangent. So go to line, click here, it takes as a tangent, and click here and click OK to continue. Again click OK to continue. Actually this line has to be connected here. Just delete this one, go to this line, connect here and connect here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we have connected here. So now it's OK. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we have created a single line. By using this line we are going to create a profile rib. For that, just go here, there is a rib, there is an arrow, just click here, there is a profile rib. So this side we cannot create a rib because there is no supporting surface. Just change this surface direction. Now it has thickness. Go to the model, the thickness is 8 mm. Just give 8 and press enter and just click OK to confirm. Now we have created a rib here. Similar rib we just want to create this side also. For that we are going to use an option called mirror. Just select this object, profile rib, go to mirror. Now we just want to mirror this rib as a mid plane by using this mid plane. Now you can see the same rib is mirrored here. Just click OK to confirm. Now go here, standard orientation. Now we have completed our model. To view, untick these planes, go to shaded with edges, for appearance go to view, appearance, this yellow one, click this part and click OK. Now we have completed our model. Just go here. Yes, we have completed. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have found any doubt, please comment me. Thank you.